Hello. Oh, this is how they looked in the final. So nice wooden trim. Pretty pleased with it. Audio-wise, there was a bass problem, and somehow the people after me did not have this problem. So it is, I guess, my setup or something went wrong, but didn't sound correct to me. But besides that, it was a really nice day. Lots of nice, interesting people, nice, interesting loudspeaker designs, etc. Yeah, next time I did a second run and that sounded perfectly fine because I could not. The subwoofer was already disabled, so the integration was not perfect at all. And I had still a crossover on the low end of my panels, which worked out better than without any crossover on the low end, like roll off, which was weird. So I should measure them outside if the weather is a little bit better, see what's going on, if I can see something that is weird, because I don't have it as much here, so I'm not sure. Anyhow, besides that, I thought I'll play one tune, because it's a tradition, as is tradition, after one of these events, because I usually tell how it went. Well, I just did that in really short. Everyone liked the design. Some people said they enjoyed the sound. I myself was not completely convinced. It could have sounded much better, but maybe next time, you know. But at least I do like the design, so this is, you know, it's all a learning process. This kind of design I might use in another panel. I'm pretty sure I will, because I really like it. So, how it looks. I wanted to play a tune that is based on using the room where the artist is playing. And this is recorded by a friend of mine for someone else, of course, but it's a YouTube video, so you can watch it, and so I think I can play it. I mean, why not? It's from, the channel is called 7 Layers, and the artist is Arny Margret. They only talk about the weather, and it's only recorded in a church, and they do this very often on this channel. They look for a setting that sounds nice. Not always, by the way, but I know that is the way the friend of mine usually records. I mean, a lot of his recordings are quite a lot of acoustics of the room, which, so it sounds simple, just put some microphones there and it's fine, but of course it doesn't work like that. But instead of using artificial reverbs, you use the stuff you have, and if the room is really sucky, you just take another room or a church or whatever. So that's really cool. I like that idea. I don't know if that is the idea for them, but it's, to me, it's very often the case, and I love that. There's nothing that resembles a reverb like a real reverb of a room. So not sure how this translates, but if you want to check out this song, feel free to do so. Ow. So there's my flutter echo. Microphone is a little bit closer than usual. So let's see, it's an acoustic song, just a guitar and a woman singing. Really small and really nice sounding. Like background noise and such, I like it.
They only talk about the weather, closes me in. Shouldn't have worn the sweater up, the air's too thin. There ain't taps on the window like a million times. I just wanna go back so I can survive. But I hate to leave, and I hate to stay. Too much talk about nothing. I'm losing my mind. Start crying over nothing. No, take my mind. The rain taps on the window like a million times. I just wanna go back so I can survive. But I hate to leave, and I hate to stay.
Ooh, was really short, but I really like the outside world coming into the church. You hear some traffic in the background. I normally people think, okay, that's not a good recording, but to me, I think that sounds awesome. Like real traffic, you know, you feel like being there. It's okay if it's there, to me at least. It's not a studio recording, it's a live recording, and I like all these kind of details. Some people say, oh, I can now hear this, it must be my speakers, but it's of course already in the recording. I think the recording is done really well. So yeah, very cool, very short, and that's nice. We like it short. I could say something stupid, but I'll leave it at that. Okay, see you next time. I'll take a little bit off, like a pause in audio stuff. I'll have to do some normal actual work. And then I'll see you in a few weeks, I guess. Maybe I got some new ideas. Who knows? See you around.